Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the sustainable fashion brand available in India. Sustainable fashion is not just limited to the organic fabric, timelessness and durability of the clothes. It's also very important to know who made our clothes. Starting from farmers who grow the cotton in the field, after grown the cotton in the field, they shifted to the for a spinning and weaving, and after a spinning and weaving, the weavers involved who twinned fiber into the fabrics. Also, lots of tailors who twin the fabric into the garments. There is lots of process to make a garment. So each and every process we need to know who are involved and who are getting the benefit and who are getting the losses. During the COVID-19, we also learned so many things like local for vocals, because we see local people only can help after our crisis time. So we need to and these all the brands are very small businesses, so we need to help and support these all the brands. So I have created a list of at least 10 good and reputed fashion sustainable fashion brand available in India. So we talk about one by one brands, what about the brands and what are the main features of the brands. So we go to the first brand, that's called the Earth Level. Earth Level is very good brands which are close to my heart, and also their clothes are very beautiful, elegant and classy. So we need to go and check about the brand website. This is one of the brand that you need to check out to start your journey of sustainability. Their clothes are really classy, elegant and beautiful. The best part about them is how reasonably they are priced. After all, who wouldn't wanna look elegant and it's too on your budget. So now we'll move to the second brand. Second brand is called Sui. Sui is the Hindi name of needle. Needle plays a very important role to make a fabric into the garments. So this is also a sustainable fashion brand. We need to go and check about the website. Just like this brand is a big part in sustainable fashion industry, even though the price is little steep and comparable to Zara. It's still one of the best brands to go for. Our third brand is Doodless. Doodless is created by the designer Kirti Tula, who is very innovative and make a garment from waste fabrics in the industry, and they created a very new and a stylish look. Let's check out their website. Made from factory waste, made from consumer waste, made from zero waste, Doodless is a perfect synchronize of sustainability and innovativeness, and work with eco-friendly fabrics such as organic cottons, corn fabrics, banana fabrics. Another source of fabric is the leftover quality discarded textile from large manufacturer, which account for the wastage in export term. You should know that this brand is one of the most famous brand in India. Being a sustainable brand, this one is just perfect. Their design are to die for. The earthy and sober look is what they come up with, and it's perfectly for the peoples of all ages. Recycling and upcycling is the key at Doodless, and it only makes the pieces stand out more. Our next brand is No Nasties. No Nasties is care about the who made our clothes. No Nasty using the organic fabrics, comfortable and consciously used all the fabrics and into the garments. And let's check about the No Nasties brand. No Nasty, I'll always ask the question why, what and who. Earth friendly essentials, organic cotton, comfort and conscious. Their aim is to make product that makes a difference, and also they want to show all that transformation in transparency ways. Our fifth brand is Asparo. Asparo is a very good brand for girls and also created the last of sustainable garments in their website and in their industry. And the sustainable is a good alternative for all girls. So let's check. You can easily compare this brand with famous H&M in terms of prices as well as style. Their pieces are generally upcycle and definitely something you can invest in. Our sixth brand is Ilamra. Ilamra have a very good story behind the name. Ila means earth, Amra means mango tree, and Ra means the sun. And they created the mostly desi garments and desi alternative you can find in their brands. So let's go and check their brands. Ilamra story: as we lay under the mango tree, glaring at the sunlight filtering through the leaves, white grains and blissful silence lit. If you are someone that adore the desi in you and loves the desi vibes, then this brand is it for you. They have the most amazing pieces at the price which are fair. Well, it sometimes might seem a little high, but it's also worth to buying sustainable garments from Ilamra. Our next brand is Arajvi. We can say Arajvi or Arajvi. Please go and check the whatever the best pronunciation. So their main aim is the minimal and comfortable and versatile clothing for all of us. Brand is inspired by the idea of versatility. Arajvi is the young Indian contemporary lifestyle label focused on the handcrafting, casual clothing, and statement jewelry pieces with an eye to detail. This particular brand has all the products that are beautifully handicrafted. They help in keeping the legacy going and reviving the lost art. As far the price point is concerned, then it can be one of the higher side, but looking at what the causes and quality is, one will be all right with a spending that much. Our 8 number brand is Grassroot. Grassroot by one of the most famous fashion designers called Anita Dongre. Grassroot is actually the luxury brands who revive the sustainable fashion in a new sense. And Grassroot by Anita Dongre is sustainable luxury brand born to revive sustain fashion in new sense. The brand tries to translate village art into designer's look. The collection is about the global trotting women's mindful artisans, socially sustainable, and Grassroot call it as a impact design. Our next brand is Kaas. Kaas by Karisma Sahni. Karisma Sahni made a sustainable brand which is mostly for the traveler and the women who played a different role in their life. Kaas launched in 2011, focus on being multicultural using various techniques and reinterpretation of materials. Kaas focus on clothing as a form of storytelling inspired by traveler, the seeker and vendors, the multiple role within the each of us. Our next 10th number brand is Upasna. Upasna is a very famous brand, also work for work as a NGO, and Upasna is created by Uma Prajapati. Is a designer. He is a South Indian designer. He is an activist and social entrepreneur also. So let's go and check about the Upasna website. Uma currently heads few social projects, guide young entrepreneurs, does strategy planning for NGO, and teaches conscious fashion nationally and internationally. So many social projects they are going through. First is Kapas. Kapas is for organic cotton project with families of Madurai. A smaller steps. Second project. Compact bags as alternative to the plastic wraps they are making. Then work for the Banarsi Weaves project with weaving communities of Banaras. Also work the Tsunamika. The Tsunamika is a small project who makes the small dolls in their projects and provided the livelihood to the fishermen in the time of tsunami. And next project is Paruthi, India's local fashion brands to support India organic farming communities. So this is all about the sustainable fashion brand available in India. We need to support these all brands through purchasing some items from all sustainable product. It's also very important for support these small industries to grow in our India. And if you guys like this video, like it, subscribe it, and share it to know everybody about the sustainable fashion and brands available in India. Meet you in the next video. Till the time, stay safe, stay connected, and always keep smiling. Thank you.